JavaScript is going to be dead in 2025. Watch this video till the end to know why I am saying this. So in this video, we are going to understand what are these 5 front-end technologies which I am going to learn in 2025 or enhance my skills on them. It is a comprehensive list of 5 technologies which will help you land your first front-end engineer job or internship and will make you an overall great front-end engineer. So let's start with the first technology, and it is Docker. It is a DevOps technology, but it is often get asked to front-end engineers as well. So Docker is a technology which solves the problem of this is working on my machine. If you want to know more about Docker, you can check out an article which I have linked in the description. Let's move on to the next technology. So the next technology is GraphQL. So suppose you have a website which is running on both mobile and desktop. On desktop, you want to show a table which has 8 columns, but for the same table in mobile devices, you only show 2 columns. So why to transfer the 8 columns data on mobile as well? So GraphQL solves this problem by saying that I will tell you that what data I need and you just send me that enough data. So on desktop devices, GraphQL says that I need the 8 column data, but on mobile devices, GraphQL says no, I only need the 2 column data, so which saves the network cost and overall company cost. Let's move to the third technology, which is Prisma. In my second last video, I have talked about Prisma. So if you want to know more about it, then you can check out that video. And Prisma is generally a ORM which allows you to interact with your database in a more user-friendly way. And it makes the overall life of developer easier for both front-end and backend engineers. So if you want to explore more about Prisma, you can check out their documentation. And let's move on to the next technology. So the next technology that I am going to talk about is React Native. So React Native has seen amazing progress over the years, and it is going to stay there in the further years as well. So I am going to enhance my skills on React Native. I know React Native, but not much, and let's explore the other operating system. For example, iOS and other devices, other operating systems. So if you want to learn more about React Native, you can explore the documentation, or you can search on YouTube for any React Native course. If you know React, it will be pretty much easier for you to learn React Native. Let's talk about our fifth technology, which is TypeScript. All the new projects which are starting in the front end engineering space are starting with TypeScript. And nobody is going to use JavaScript in 2025 or further years. Does that mean is JavaScript is going to dead? No, because JavaScript is a language and TypeScript is an extension. So even if someone wants to learn TypeScript, they have to go through JavaScript, because the underlying concepts of TypeScript are actually JavaScript. If you don't know JavaScript, you don't know TypeScript. If you want to learn TypeScript, then start learning JavaScript. And then when you want type safety in your projects, then learn the additional concepts of TypeScript, which makes you a TypeScript developer from a JavaScript developer. These are the 5 technologies which I wanted to discuss with you. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I'll try to reply to that. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.